Hello guys, welcome to my channel Trading Chart Patterns. Now I am analyzing this stock HCL Technologies. If you will watch this stock closely, then you will find out that this stock is actually making a head and shoulder kind of a pattern. Okay, see, if you will watch this in 1 hour time frame, you will watch this stock carefully and you will be able to analyze this stock as this. See, this is the shoulder, this is the head, and this is the shoulder for this stock. And tomorrow if the stock continues to fall, see, if it makes this sort of a pattern, okay, it starts to consolidate in this trend line, okay, and then if it breaks this trend line and goes below 955.54 rupees, okay, then you can short this stock. You can short this stock for the target of 903 rupees or 904 rupees in intraday or in longer time frame, okay, and you can take 970 as your stop loss. Okay, so there will be 20 rupees stop loss and around 40-50 rupees target. Okay, so if you will watch this stock in daily time frame, you will also find out that, see, this stock is actually making this level as its support. Okay, this level as its support, and this level also is acting as a support for this stock. Okay, see this level, okay, and the stock is currently holding this level. Okay, as soon as the stock goes below this level, the stock tomorrow may become sideways around this region. Okay, and if it falls day after tomorrow or in another session, then I am predicting this in advance that this stock will go towards 920 rupees, 910 rupees or 903 rupees. Okay, for sure. And if you look this stock in terms of moving averages, then you will find out that 200-day moving averages is around 860 rupees, 850 rupees. So if this stock has to make some sort of a correction, then 850 rupees will be the good buying value for this stock. Okay, and one more thing, if you will draw the Fibonacci levels for this stock, then you will find out that 920 rupees is also a 23% correction from the lifetime high of this stock, and the stock has actually made this correction twice. See, here and here, and if the next time the stock goes below these levels, then it will come for 858, then 801 rupees. Okay, why 858? See, 858 will act as a dynamic support for this stock. Okay, so if you are trading HCL Technologies, then please be cautious. Okay, so you should actually know these levels for HCL Technologies. Thank you for watching, and do hit the like, subscribe and share button